Hello, mothers. Good day. For today's video, we're going to discuss on how to simplify fractions. If you can still remember sa ating previous na video, no, we discussed about how to convert mixed fractions to improper and vice versa. And this time, we will now proceed sa simplifying fractions. Kasi sinabing simplifying fractions, writing fractions to lowest term. And this can be used once you are going to operate fractions like you're going to add, subtract, multiply, or even divide. So let's start. Again, as I said, pag sinabing simplifying fractions means writing fractions to lowest term. So meron dalawang ways on how to simplify fractions depende kung anong klaseng fraction siya. First, simplifying proper fractions. Di ba pag sinabing proper, way back sa ating discuss sa types of fractions, sinabing proper, the numerator is less than the denominator. So, ano yung rule? To simplify proper fractions, just find the GCF of the numerator and denominator. And after that, divide them by the identified GCF. So, in this case, ang inyong skill na gamiton diri is that ang inyong knowledge on how to find the GCF of whole numbers. So, let's have first example. Reduce the following fractions to lowest term. Number 1, we have 2 over 4. So, that's proper kasi nga yung upper part is smaller than the lower part. So, solution, based sa rule, just find the GCF of 2 and 4. So, by inspection, the GCF of 2 and 4 is just equal to 2. Okay? Di na nato ipakita kung saan paggawa sa GCF nila kasi nga inyo naman ang na-master, di ba? Sa ato ang previous nga video, atong nag-discuss ta on how to find the GCF. So, diretso na ta. So, solution, we have 2 over 4. So, as I said earlier, the inspection, the GCF of 2 and 4 is just equal to 2. So, i-divide natin sila both parts by their GCF, which is 2. Okay? So, divide natin. 2 divided by 2, we have 1. 4 divided by 2, we have 2. So, therefore, the lowest term or the simplified form for 2 over 4 is just equal to 1/2. Okay. Okay, next. Another example. Let's say we have 9 over 24. So, same process. I-write natin si 9 over 24. And then, by inspection, ang kanilang GCF is 3. So, 3 over 3. Okay, divide natin. 9 divided by 3, we have 3. 24 divided by 3, we have 8. So, therefore, the lowest term for 9 over 24 is 8, 3 over 8. Okay? So, ano lang talaga, matters. Just identify the GCF of the numerator and denominator. After that, i-divide sila sa na-identified na GCF. Then, automatic the result is the simplest form of that fraction. Okay. Next. Let's proceed now to how to simplify improper fractions. Okay? Pag sinabing improper, based sa ating na-discuss last time, the numerator is greater than the denominator. So, opposite siya sa proper. So, rule. Divide the numerator by the denominator. After that, reduce the resulting proper fraction to lowest term. So, kumbaga, i-convert nyo muna into mix ang improper. After that, yung resulting proper, identify nyo lang yung GCF to get its lowest term. Okay, sample, 10/3. So, i-convert natin into mix. So, we have, divide natin, 10 divided by 3. So, 10 divided by 3, we have 3. 3 times 3, we have 9. Minus, so this is 1. Therefore, the mixed fraction for 10/3 is 3 will be the whole number. The quotient will be the whole number. And then the remainder will be the numerator. And then retain the denominator. After that, pag may mix ka na, i-check mo yung proper fraction kung meron pa bang GCF ang numerator at saka denominator. Let's check. 1 and 3, meron bang GCF? Wala na kasi yung numerator is 1 na. Okay? So, automatic. This is the simplified form for 10/3. Okay. Another. We have 50/4. So, the same process. Divide natin si 50 or convert natin itong fraction na to mix. So, 50 divided by 4. So, 5 divided by 4, we have 1. So, 1 times 4, we had 4. Subtract natin. So, 5 minus 4, that's gonna be 1. Bring down 0. So, we have 10 divided by 4, we have 2. 2 times 4, we have 8. Subtract. 10 minus 8, we have 2. So, in mixed fraction, that would be, whole natin will be the quotient. This is 12. Numerator, the remainder, which is 2. Then retain the denominator 4. Now, after that, pag may mix na tayo, i-check natin yung proper if meron ba silang GCF, ang numerator at saka denominator. So, by inspection, the GCF of 2 and 4 is 2. So, divide natin sila ng 2 ng kanilang GCF. So, we have 2, 2. So, this is, copy muna si whole na 12. 2 divided by 2, this is 1 over 4 divided by 2, this is 2. Therefore, the lowest term for 50/4 is just equal to 12 and 1/2. Okay. So, this time, it's your turn. Okay? You are going to convert the following or simplify the following. Sige. Simplify the given fractions below. So, pag meron na kayong sagot, pwede nyo post sa comment section. And then, matters, if you like this video, just like and share para marami ang mga estudyante na maka-review, no, about simplifying fractions. And see you sa next video because next topic will be we're going to discuss about addition of similar fractions. Thank you, matters, and see you sa next video. Goodbye and God bless.